Hello everyone, myself Vinayak Bandari. I will continue the Fourier series. Next concept, that is the last concept on this module, that is harmonic analysis. Harmonic analysis, if a function is given in discrete form, okay, this is very important. If the given function is in the form of discrete, then we use this method to calculate the Fourier coefficients. Okay, if the given question is in terms of discrete form, then we are applying this method to calculate the Fourier coefficients a0, an and bn. Now up to this one you studied about continuous function. Continuous function means continuous function, that is something f of x equal to x and f of x equal to something cos x will be there. For this case, something x equal to 0 to pi, particularly they are mentioning x lies between 0 to pi itself, or minus f of x lies between cos x, means x is nothing but minus pi to plus pi. For this is nothing but continuous function. Continuous function means it lies between minus pi to plus pi. Discrete values means some x and values they are already they will give, no need of integrating. Something x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. For particularly x equal to 0, they will give y value. Particularly x equal to 1, one more y value. X equal to 2, one more y value. So on up to number of terms, depending upon 5 or 6 terms will be there mentioned. For that particular values, we need to goes on calculating the values for a0, an and bn. Okay, Fourier coefficients we need to calculate, that is a0, an and bn. Okay. In the previous one you studied about in Fourier series continuous form. Now this is not in continuous, they will in terms of discrete form. While I will solving the problem, I will explain how to calculate the values and everything. But the thing is, there are first harmonic analysis, second harmonic, third harmonic analysis. Up to this one you calculated about the n values. You calculated an, bn, like this you calculated. Now no need of calculating like that. Particularly they ask either first harmonic or second harmonic. First harmonic means a1, b1. Second harmonic means a2 and b2 we need to calculate like that. Okay. Now I will write the formula for practical harmonic analysis. Harmonic analysis in Fourier series, that is nothing but a0 equal to 2 by n into summation of y. Next, an equal to 2 by n into summation of y into cos nx. I will take periodic function first itself, then I will move on to the arbitrary function formula. Now bn equal to 2 by n into summation of y into sin nx. First I will take periodic function method, then I will calculate some of the values which are second harmonic or third harmonic or first harmonic like that. Now next concept I will move on to the arbitrary form. So first of periodic function means 2 by n into summation of y into cos nx sin nx, okay, where n is number of terms in x and y values. How many number of terms we will need to count? X contains so many number of 5 terms are there, means you need to take it as n equal to 5. It contains 6 terms, means you need to take it as n equal to 6 number of terms in x and y. Now the given question is express f of x as a Fourier series up to first harmonic analysis. Now see the given question properly. They are not mentioning like this in the previous all the cases. They are mentioning express the Fourier series expansion, something f of x equal to. Now the given question is express f of x as a Fourier series up to first harmonic analysis for x and y values. Some of the x and y values they are given. For particularly for that x and y values, we need to calculate the first harmonic. First harmonic is nothing but a1, a0, a1, b1. These three values we need to calculate. I will write solution. First harmonic, which implies a0, a1 and b1. These three values we should calculate. Okay. Now first I will write the formula for a0. What is a0 equal to 2 by n into summation of y. a1 equal to an means 2 by n summation of y into cos nx. So substituting n equal to 1. So a1 equal to 2 by n into summation of y into cos x. b1 equal to 2 by y into summation of y into sin x, because we have the formula for an and bn. What is the formula for an? Sum 2 by n into sum of y into cos nx. I substitute n equal to 1 because the first harmonic. So if I substitute n equal to 1, that becomes 2 by n into y into cos x. If I substitute n equal to 1, 2 by n into sin x. Okay, these are all the values we need to write. First I'll construct the table, because summation of y we required, summation of y into sin x we required, summation of y into cos x we required. So first I'll write the table, then harmonic analysis. First we need to construct the table depending upon the given question. First harmonic means y into cos x and y into sin x. Second harmonic means y into cos x, y into sin x, as well as y into cos 2x and y into sin 2x. So on, up to how many harmonic analysis they are mentioned now. Depending upon that one, you need to construct the table. X and y values I wrote. Now I will go for the calculation. Which are the values? Y into cos x, that is 1 into y into cos 0, 1.4 into cos pi by 3. Next, 1.9 into cos 2 pi by 3. Now 1.7 into cos pi, 1.5 into cos 4 pi by 3. Next, 1.2 into cos 5 pi by 3. Okay. Now y into sin x. So that is y means 1 into sin 0. Next, 1.4 into sin of pi by 3, 1.9 into sin of 2 pi by 3. Next, 1.7 into sin of pi, 1.5 into sin of 4 pi by 3. Next, 1.2 into sin of 5 pi by 3. Write like this. Then just directly in Calc, calculate the values. Write it as 1 into cos 0 plus 1.4 into cos 4 pi by 3 plus 1.9 into cos 2 pi by 3 plus 1.7 into cos pi plus 1.5 into cos 4 pi by 3, 1.2 into cos of 5 pi by 3. Then add all the values. What is the value you will get? Add that all the values. Summation of y is nothing but 8.7. Summation of y into cos x is nothing but minus 1.1. Summation of y into sin x means 0.5196. You got the values for y, summation of y into cos x, summation of y into sin x. 3 values you got. Now after getting this all the values, we need to substitute in that formula. That is a naught equal to 2 by n summation of y, a1 equal to 2 by n summation of y into cos x, b1 equal to 2 by n summation of y into sin x. Okay, what I told, n is number of terms, that is n equal to, how many number of terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n equal to 6, which implies a naught equal to 2 by 6 into 8.7, which implies a1 equal to 2 by 6 into minus 1.1, which implies b1 equal to 2 by 6 into 0.5196. Now simplify that all the values, a naught, an and bn values. 9, a1 equal to minus 0.366, b1 equal to 0.1732. Okay, this is the value for, after simplifying this equation, 1, a naught, a1 and b1, you got these 3 values. This is not the final answer. After calculating that all the values, we need to substitute in f of x. Y equal to f of x, which is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation from n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos nx plus summation from n equal to 1 to infinity bn into sin nx. Now I substitute n equal to 1 because we record you have calculated a1 and b1 value now, so n equal to 1. So this becomes f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus a1 into cos x plus b1 into sin x. So f of x as it is a naught, what is the a naught value? 2.9 divided by 2 plus minus 0.366 into cos x plus 0.1732 into sin x. Okay, just I replace that values a naught, an and bn value. Now go for the simplification. That is f of x equal to 2.9 divided by 2 minus 0.366 0.366 cos x plus 0.1732 into sin x. This is the first harmonic analysis for f of x for given x and y values. The given question is express y as a Fourier series up to second harmonic analysis from the following table. X and y values, some of the x and y values they are mentioned. By using that x and y values, we need to calculate the second harmonic analysis. What it implies? Means a naught and including a naught value a1, b1, a2, b2, these are all the values we need to calculate. Some of the x values they are mentioned, x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, y equal to 4, 8, 15, 7, 6, 2. These are all the x and y values they are mentioned. See, in periodic function means they are given in terms of pi or in terms of standard angles, that is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, in terms of standard angles they will give. Now see the given question, their x is in terms of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is in terms of numbers they are mentioned. So the first thing is converting a function to periodic function, then goes on calculating the values. Okay. Now see, for the solution, value of y at x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 they are mentioned. X equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 they are mentioned. The value of y at x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are given. Okay, and hence the interval of x, the x lies between should be x is greater than or equal to 0. See here, x is greater than or equal to 0, but it should be less than 6. The length of the interval is L equal to b minus a divided by 2. This is a value, b value, that is 6 minus 0 divided by 2, L equal to 3. The y value they are mentioned for x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, some of the y values they are mentioned. Okay. Okay. Now the length of the interval is calculated, L value is calculated. Now general formula for Fourier series in terms of practical harmonic analysis, that is y equal to f of x a naught by 2 plus summation from n equal to 1 to infinity a n into cos n pi x by L plus b n equal to 1 to infinity sin n pi x by L. This is general formula, but the given question is second harmonic analysis. So substituting n equal to 1 and n equal to 2. So n equal to 1 and 2. So y equal to f of x a naught by 2. Now summation will be there, now 1 to infinity is there. Substitute n equal to 1 and n equal to 2. That become a1 into cos pi x by L plus a2 into cos 2 pi x by L plus b1 into sin pi x by L, b2 into sin 2 pi x by L. Okay. Now I will substitute the L value. What is L equal to? 3. L equal to 3 if I substitute, y equal to f of x, which is equal to a naught by 2 plus a1 into cos pi x by 3 plus a2 into cos 2 pi x by 3 plus b1 into sin pi x by 3 plus b2 into sin 2 pi x by 3. Okay, substituting the L value. What is the next step? Calculating a0, a1, a2, b1 and b2. These are all the values we need to calculate. First I will write the formula. a0 equal to 2 by n into summation of y a1 equal to 2 by n into summation of y into cos pi x by 3, this value. a2 equal to 2 by n into summation of y into cos 2 pi x by 3. Now b1 equal to 2 by n into summation of y into sin pi x by 3, and b2 equal to 2 by n into summation of sin 2 pi x by 3. These are all the values we should calculate. After calculating that values, we need to substitute in this formula, wherein is nothing but the number of terms. Okay. Now I will construct the table. By using the table values, we need to goes on calculating the values. Summation of y matrix. I will substitute n equal to number of terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n equal to 6. So I will write this formula. A naught equal to 2 by n into summation of y. Okay. 2 by 6 summation of y, that is adding all the values. I take one bracket 4 plus 8 plus 15 plus 7 plus 6 plus 2, which is equal to 2 by 6 into, add this all the values, not equal to 2 by n into summation of y, 2 by 6 sum of y, write down all the y values 4 plus 8 plus 15 plus 7 plus 6 plus 62, 2 by 6 into 42, which implies, simplify this value, that is nothing but a naught equal to 14. Now I will go for the second value, a1 equal to 2 by n into summation of y into cos pi x by 3. Now again I will substitute the values, 2 by 6 into y into cos pi x. So substitute y value as well as x values alternatively. This is sum of y. The second one is a1 equal to 2 by n into summation of y into cos pi x by 3 is there. So y value and x value alternatively we need to substitute. The first thing, 4 into cos 0 plus 8 into cos pi by 3 plus 15 into cos 2 pi by 3 plus 7 into cos 3 pi by 3 plus 6 into cos 4 pi by 3 plus 2 into cos 5 pi by 3. Now just substitute this all the values in Calc, then calculate these values. That is, if you calculate this all the values in Calc, you will get minus 8.5, 2 by 6 as it is. If you calculate directly in Calc, you will get minus 8.5. One thing you need to remember, keep it in radian form. While calculating in Calc, keep it in radian form, then goes on calculating the values. Okay, that is minus 8.5. If you simplify this equation, a1 equal to minus 2.83. Now next I will move on to the second one, that is a2. a2 equal to 2 by n into summation of y into cos 2 pi x by 3, that is y value, 4 into cos 0 plus 8 into cos 2 pi x, what is x value 1, so 2 pi by 3 plus 15 into cos 2 into, already 2 pi is there, 1 more 2, that become 4 pi by 3 plus 7 into cos 6 pi by 3. Why it becomes 6? Because 2 pi is there. So 2 into 3, 6. So now next one, 2 into 4, that will be by 3 plus 2 into cos 10 pi by 3. To substitute that all the values in Calc, then you will get the values. But the thing is, keep it in radian form, then goes on calculating the values. That is 4 into cos 0 plus 8 into cos 2 pi by 3 plus 15 into cos 4 pi by 3 plus 7 into cos 6 pi by 3 plus 6 into cos 8 pi by 3 plus 2 into cos 10 pi by 3. Same thing you need to substitute in Calc, goes on calculating the values. Okay, keep it in radian form, substitute it. Then we will get the value 2 by 6 into, if you calculate this all the values, minus 4.5, directly in Calc you will get the values, that is minus 4.5, multiply 2 by 6 into minus 4.5, that is a2 equal to minus 1.5. Now you calculate 3 values, a0, a2, a1 and a2 values. Similarly, now we need to go for calculating b1 and b2 value, because second harmonic. That is the general formula, a1 equal to, b1 equal to 2 by 6 into summation of y into sin pi x by 3. Now 2 by 6 bracket. Similarly, how you substituted for the previous cosine, now same thing we need to follow. Similarly, we need to substitute 1 by 1 sine values, that is 2 by 6 into 4, alternatively y and x values. 4 into sine 0 plus 8 into sine pi by 3. Just I am replacing this y value, y, x, y, x, y, x, like this. I am replacing that all the values. Then summation is there, so plus addition we need to take. Now simplify directly here this value also in calc itself. So 2 by 6 into this all the values in calc itself, keep it in radian form, substituting 1 by 1 values, then add all that values. You get the values 12.99. Simplify 2 by 6 into 12.99, which implies B1 equal to 4.33. Now the last value B2. 2 by 6 into summation of y into sine 2 pi x by 3. Now 2 by 6 bracket. Same thing. How you calculate for the B1 value? Now the same substitution you are doing. 2 by 6 into alternatively y and x value. 4 into sine 0, 8 into sine 2 pi by 3, 15 into sine 4 pi by 3. I'm replacing here y and x. Y means 4, x means 0, y means 8, x means 1, y means 15, x means 2, y means 7, x means 3. Similarly, got the values. Directly in calc, you calculate the value. That is 2 by 6 into, calculate this all the values in calc, you will get the value minus 2.61. Simplify that one. B2 equal to minus 4.87. These are all the values you got for B1 and B2 values. You got all the values for second harmonic, A0, A1, B1, A2, B2, all the 5 values you got. After calculating this all the 5 values, we need to substitute in general formula. All the values A0, A1, A2, B1, B2. Now I will write the general formula first. F of x equal to A0 by 2 plus A1 into cos pi x by 3 plus A2 into cos 2 pi x by 3 plus B1 into sin pi x by 3 plus B2 into sin 2 pi x by 3. Just replace that all the values A0, A1, B1 and B2 values. That is f of x equal to 14 divided by 2 plus minus 2.83 into cos pi x by 3 plus minus 1.5 into cos 2 pi x by 3 plus 4.33 into sin pi x by 3 plus minus 0.87 into sin 2 pi x by 3. Just I replaced that all the values. Okay, just I am replacing. Now I will go for a simplification. That is f of x equal to 14, 7 plus into minus minus 2.83 into cos of pi x by 3 minus 1.5 into cos of 2 pi x by 3 plus 4.3 into sin of pi x by 3 minus 0.87 into sin 2 pi x by 3. This is the second harmonic analysis for the given x and y values A0, A1, B1, A2, B2. This all the values we calculated. Thus, you substituted in that Fourier series expansion. That is in terms of second harmonic, not in terms of first harmonic. That is nth harmonic will be there. But here the given question only second harmonic, expand that one. Then substitute all the values. To the second problem on this arbitrary function. That is, find the first cosine term of the Fourier series of y from the following table. X and y values they are mentioned. X equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y equal to 9, 18, 24, 28, 26 and 20. Some of the x and y values they are mentioned. For this x and y values we need to calculate first cosine term. Only cosine term we need to calculate. Not of calculating the sine term. See the given question properly. If the given question is only first harmonic analysis, means we need to go for sine as well as cosine. Particularly they are mentioned first cosine means not of calculating the sine values, only go for calculation for cosine values. But here very important is finding the L value will be different. If first harmonic or second harmonic means sine and cosine both you are calculating means L value is b minus a divided by 2. That formula we need to apply. If only cosine or only sine term is there means we need to apply half range series. How you calculate in half range series L value, na? The same thing we need to follow. Just I will explain here. Now the first thing is x greater than equal to 0 less than 6 than equal to 0 less than 6. While calculating the L value, only cosine term, therefore we need to compare 0 to L with 0 to 6, that is L equal to 6. If only sine term means we need to go for 0 to L with 0 to 6, the given interval. But sine and cosine both you are calculating means we need to apply L equal to b minus a divided by 2 formula. This is very important. But the thing is, first thing is, see the given question, first harmonic or second harmonic. In first harmonic, cosine or sine, or second harmonic, cosine or sine. Sine or only cosine is there means we need to compare 0 to L with 0 to 6. If both cosine and sine both you are calculating means we need to apply L equal to b minus a divided by 2. Previous problem I explained now, the same thing we need to follow. Here only first cosine is there, so only we need to compare, while calculating L value we need to compare 0 to L with 0 to 6, that is L equal to 6. Okay. Cosine term contains a0 and an. Cosine half range series, which are the values you are calculating? a0 and an. Similarly here also we need to calculate a0 and an generally, but first cosine, so a0 and a1 equal to 2 by n into summation of y, an equal to 2 by n into summation of y into cos n pi x by L. Okay, this is general formula. The given question is first cosine, only first cosine they are mentioned. So a0 and a1 value. So a0 equal to 2 by n into summation of y as it is, a1 equal to 2 by n into summation of y into cos pi x by L is 6, cos pi x by 6. We need to write like this. I substituted n equal to 1. Now first calculate summation of y, next calculate summation of y into cos pi x by 6. Summation of y, a0 equal to 2 by n into summation of y, that is 2 by 6, because number of terms 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here also n equal to 6 itself. So n equal to 6, a0 equal to 2 by n into summation of y, that is take one bracket, add all the values, 9 plus 18 plus 24 plus 26 plus 20, which equal to 2 by 6 into, just add all these values, a1 value, a1 equal to 2 by n into summation of y into cos pi x by 3, that is 2 by 6 into, alternatively y and x values we need to substitute, then summation, sum is there, so adding all that values. Now the same way I substituted all the values, that is 2 by 6 into 9 into cos 0 plus 18 into cos pi by 6, 24 into cos 2 pi by 6, 28 into cos 3 pi by 6, 26 into cos 4 pi by 6, 20 into cos 5 pi by 6. The same way, similarly this all the values you calculate in Cal C, keep it in radian form, substitute it pi itself, then goes on calculate the values in Cal C, then add all the values. Summation is there, just substitute directly in Cal C, 9 into cos 0 plus 18 into cos pi by 6 plus 24 into cos 2 pi by 6. Similarly remaining all the values. Now if you calculate like that, 2 by 6, if you have calculated this all the values in Cal C, we will get 6.26, 2 into 6.26 divided by 6, a1 equal to 1.04. The given question is only first cosine series, so constant and a1 value you calculated. Then after calculating these both the values, you need to substitute in the formula. It is, the formula is f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus a1 into cos pi x by 6. So f of x equal to 20.83 whole divided by 2 plus 1.04 into cos pi x by 6, which is the first cosine term for x and y values. X equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, y equal to 9, 18, 24, 28, 26 and 20. Sum of the x values and y values mentioned. For that x and y values, this is first cosine series. Similarly, sine series means only sine values, no need of calculating constant values, because cosine means, cosine half range series means it contains a naught as well as an. So both the values we should calculate, otherwise only one value is sufficient. Another two problems will be remaining. In the next video lecture I will continue. Thank you.